Do you want to know how you can create a playlist or private playlist on SoundCloud? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own private playlist. Go ahead and open soundcloud.com. Go ahead and search for the song you want. Let's suppose I want to search this song over here. I'll search for the song. Now if I want to add this song to the playlist, I'll go to more and then you can see add to playlist. Now you can create a public or private playlist. You can give the title of the playlist as well and then click save. This way the song will be saved to your playlist. You can click on go to playlist and then you will be leaded to your playlist. Let me show it to you once again, guys. If I want to save this song or save it to my playlist, I'll go to more and then I'll add to next. So this is an album, so if I want to go inside it, I'll go to these songs over here. I'll go to the settings or the three dots over here. And then I will click add to playlist. Now I can create a new playlist or then I can add to this playlist. So you can see this song has also been added to playlist. This is how you create a private playlist on SoundCloud. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.